Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Use these instead. Avocado, creamy and dense, like mayo. Smear on sandwiches, and save 77 calories, 9 grams fat, and 89 milligrams sodium per tablespoon. Hummus, nutty and fluffy. Thick, like mayo. Greek yogurt, tart and tangy like mayo, same texture, too. Pesto, oil-based, like mayo. Nut butter, an egg. More mayonnaise ideas.
Take our lead.
Sour cream can be used as is, or with other ingredients, in dressings, for salads and for sandwiches, substituting directly for mayonnaise. Add sour cream in place of mayonnaise in cream-based dressings.
Take our lead.
There are plenty of better substitutes you can use instead of mayo to keep the calories low and the taste of mayo away. Avocado, Shuttershock, low-fat plain Greek yogurt. Shuttershock, olive oil, Dan Pfeffer, Flicker, pesto, Flicker, mustard, Flicker, hummus. By Australia, just mayo. Biz Carson, Business Insider.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.